Here's a QuickTime video I did of my Camtasia session. How to take this Camtasia recording that I've done, where I did a webcam capture of myself, and I did a screen capture, and I also captured my microphone using my Samsung microphone. So let me show you how to turn that instead of into a square image here that I can resize into a circle image. Let me show you what I need to do. First thing I need to do is I need to break this up, separate the video and the audio. The next thing I need to do is, I'll make this a little bit bigger, is I'm gonna move the video over top of the audio and drag the audio down here. Then put the video right on top of that. Now, I need to bring this down so I can see what I'm doing. If I go up here and say fit, it'll be in the right size. Now what I need to do is I need to get the circle. Now the way to do the circle is you use from an annotation, you can just shape, use bold, and there's a circle right there. So I put that circle over my head. Now I want to resize that a little bit. Now notice when I grab the corner, it doesn't keep it a straight circle. So what I got to do is come over here, click on this, click on the size. I got to unconnect them. I want to make this 305, and the bottom is 305. I said 305, Teddy. And you'll notice the circle is perfect now. Now I can lock it again so it's the right size. But when I grab the corners, it always screws it up. Now, if I want to see how that's overlaid on myself and how it looks, then what I need to do is come over here and I make this a little bit transparent. That's a little bit big. Probably a little bit too big. I mean, I could drag it down a little bit. That's actually not too bad. I might just do that. So I'm going to leave that like it is. I'm going to go back to full opacity, 100%. Now, drag this all the way across so it covers the whole video, the whole recording. Now, what I need to do here is copy this, Control-C, Control-V, and put it over top. Now, the reason why I do that is I'm going to use this image right here, and I'm going to put a ring around it. So what I need to do is come over here. You can see the outline. I can give it an outline, make it as big as I want to make it, but I'm usually make it about 7 or 8, pixels right there. Now I want to change the color. So I want to make the color a little bit different. I typically like to make it blue. I don't know why. It's what I like. So that'll work. I could do opacity instead of remove color. So now what I have is I have this circle with the blue outline over top of this circle. Now watch this. This is where it gets real cool. Right click on this. Right click on the view icon and go to alpha. Now I've got to remove the color on this one. Watch this. If I remove the color, look at that. So that's the same. Now, one of the videos I saw earlier said I could do it this way. I could leave that there, go to visual effects, go to remove color, drop that on there, and then select the color as yellow. It does the same thing. That does the same thing as this does by going here and move the opacity to that. Okay, so now I have this track right here is the blue circle around it. This track right here is in alpha mode, which reverses and only shows what's in the middle there. I don't completely understand that. Now what I need to do, if I want to manage this better, watch this. I'm going to click on this track, and this track. I'm going to right click and I'm going to group them. Okay, now it looks like it broke, but look here. I've got to click on this, right click, and say none. And it brings it back. Now, I don't understand all these steps. I know they work. Now, once I do that, go up here and get the cropping tool and crop crop everything around this. Bring this all in just to make it easier to manage. Bring this down. Bring this up. Oh, get the icon there. There it is right there. That's good enough. And now I can get off the cropping tool. I can take this and drop it right here. And now I have my talking head on my screen. The question I got asked this morning is, Now I like that better than the regular 1280 by 720 or whatever size rectangular box I have here. That's more of a talking head.